In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers into Mailerlite. We're going to walk through the entire process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll be able to confidently bring in your email list without losing any important information. I'll also point out a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the main menu, you'll see an option labeled Subscribers. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your contacts will live, and it's the starting point for importing any new list. When you're on the subscribers page, look for a button that says Add Subscribers. It's usually placed near the top of the page. Click that button. This opens up the different ways you can add people to your list. Mailerlite gives you a couple of options here. You can upload a CSV or TXT file, or you can copy and paste directly from a spreadsheet tool like Excel. If you already have your list saved as a CSV or TXT file, choose the Upload CSV or TXT file option. If your contacts are currently in a spreadsheet and you don't want to export them, you can pick the Copy-Paste from Excel option instead. The steps after this are very similar, so just choose whichever works best for you and your workflow. If you're uploading a file, click to select your file from your computer. Before you do this, it's a good idea to quickly check that your file is clean. Make sure you have clear column headers like email, name, and any other details you're keeping, and remove any duplicates or obvious errors. Once you've chosen your file, Mailerlite will ask you to select the subscriber group. This is where you decide which group or segment these contacts should go into. For example, you might have groups for customers, leads, or newsletter subscribers. Pick the group that makes the most sense for this list, or create a new one if you're organizing a fresh audience. Next, Mailerlite will show you a preview of your columns so you can map them correctly. This part is important. You'll see each column from your file and you'll match it to the right field in Mailerlite. For example, make sure the column that contains email addresses is mapped to email, and the column with people's names is mapped to name. If you have extra information like company or country, map those to the appropriate fields as well, or leave them unmapped if you don't need them. Take a moment to double-check that everything is aligned properly, because this is what ensures your data stays accurate inside your account. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Finish. Mailerlite will start importing your subscribers into the group you selected, and after a short moment, your new contacts will be ready to use in your campaigns and automation.